nighttime birdwatching from the viewing gallery, designed to simulate an observation high.
Are we sure you need to sit down?
To your right is Royal Ramble, home of crown pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive, oversized bills. Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during Keeper's Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which includes dances and calls. We are about to make our first stop at Tram Station 2. Visit African treetops or take a short stroll to see one of the world's rarest raptors, the Philippine